What's cracking, y'all? So yeah, man, we back with the tan sedan with the plan. Last time I did the wheel bearing, and then I topped off the automatic transmission fluid and the diff fluid. Now, last night I ended up pulling the manifold, which is still off. I just covered it up in case it rained. Pulled the manifold, had to change some hoses, do some things. Also, I did the water pump. Right now I'm about to do the thermostat housing and all that, the gaskets. And yeah, so I did the water pump. So yeah, right now I'm about to do the thermostat, and then we'll get back to what's up under there and what we're doing up under there. So right now, water pump, thermostat. Got this gasket, and I got the thermostat gasket. So let's get it. All right, so I got the thermostat in there. About to put the thermostat gasket over it. That's in there looking pretty. We have the thermostat housing gasket. And I'll probably get like 2 more 10 mils to go with it. Just to make sure. Alright, so I got the thermostat in there. About to put the thermostat gasket over it. That's in there looking pretty. We have the thermostat housing gasket. And I'll probably get like 2 more 10 mils to go with it. Just to make sure. So now we got the thermostat installed, got the water pump installed. You feel me? I'm gonna put this hose on real quick. Well, I'm gonna do that last bit. Yeah, the hose gonna go on like that. Bam, bam. So right now I'm changing these coolant hoses, you feel me? This is you, and then the guy she told you not to worry about. Yeah, we're about to change these real quick. Get it cracking, man. Make sure I already got the thermostat done, got the water pump done. Yeah. All right, so that's it, man. Lube up your hoses. Can we do the first one? There you have it. Now I just gotta tighten everything up. That hose down there, that hose right there. Water pump, thermostat. So I tighten everything up. We in the game now. So let's get it. Alright, so I finished everything up. Alright, now I'm doing a smoke test to make sure everything's good on. And there's no leaks in the motor. So far, so good. Yesterday I had a fat leak coming from the bottom, so that's gone, no leaks. And we good. So now I can put the rest of the air intake on and the cooling system and get it cracking. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Alright, so now I'm done. All the stuff with the intake manifold, all that is done. That's done. I did a smoke test, make sure nothing was leaking. I did a pressure test, make sure there was no coolant leaks. Now it's time to start the car. All the junk I still got aside from me working on it. I'll be alright though. Sounds good. Turn the heater on, turn the heat all the way up so we can get the heat on. If you have your hoses, your coolant tilt over a certain level, then you have problems. Make sure there's no fuel leaks. We don't want that. No fuel coming out here. Fuel coming out here. No fuel leak. So we good on that, y'all. No fuel leak. No nothing. So that's down there finally. I think I can put the cap back on that. I'm satisfied with that. And yeah, man. Let's get it. Test drive next. See if it rolls, see what happens. So yeah, I gotta clean all this up. I got a crazy mess. So clean all this up, clean all this mess up, and then we'll take the car out, see what it does, see if it overheats, see what happens, and we'll go from there, all right? Peace.